Imagine if a few simple tweaks to your financial habits could lead to not only a healthier bank account, but a more fulfilling life. I'll uncover these lesser-known money tips and strategies that can break poor patterns, and discuss how small changes in your financial habits can lead to significant results over time. This isn't just about saving money, it's about gaining financial independence and peace of mind. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights to boost your savings, make smarter investments, and pave the way towards financial security. Let's quickly get started. Number 1. Wealth follows passion, not just paychecks. Most people chase high salaries believing money alone leads to happiness. But here's the harsh truth. If you hate what you do, no paycheck is big enough to compensate for a miserable life. Research shows that 85% of people worldwide are disengaged at work, essentially sleepwalking through life just for a paycheck. This mindset leads to burnout, financial stagnation, and a life filled with regrets. Steve Jobs famously said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." When you choose passion over mere paychecks, you unlock creativity, persistence, and the ability to outwork competitors effortlessly. Passion fuels persistence, and persistence creates massive success. Start monetizing what you love. Build a side hustle, invest in skills, and align your work with your passion. The money will follow. Passion leads to mastery, and mastery leads to wealth. Those who love what they do always outperform those who don't. Number 2. Save smart, live fully, not fearfully. Most people fall into one of two money traps. Either they hoard every dollar, living like a miser, or they spend recklessly, living paycheck to paycheck. Both extremes are dangerous. If you save too much and never enjoy your life, what's the point? If you spend everything and save nothing, your future self will suffer. Morgan Housel says in The Psychology of Money, spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money. The real key is financial balance, saving enough for security but spending wisely to create a fulfilling life. Enjoy life, but don't let short-term pleasures steal long-term freedom. Before every big purchase, ask yourself, is this making my life better or just making me look richer? The richest people don't live flashy, they live wisely. Number 3. Customize your financial strategy. People blindly follow generic financial advice. Save 10%. Invest in index funds, retire at 65. But let's be real. Does this strategy actually fit your life? They copy others' financial plans without considering their own goals, risk tolerance, or income potential. What works for a government employee with a pension won't work for an entrepreneur aiming for early retirement. Your money strategy should match your vision, not someone else's template. Everyone's financial journey is unique. Whether you dream of retiring early, traveling the world, or simply enjoying a stable life, tailor your financial strategy to fit your personal goals and values. Understand what financial security means to you. It could be paying off debt, building savings, or investing for future goals. Customize your approach to find peace of mind. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. By aligning your finances with your values, you create a roadmap to a fulfilling and secure future. Number 4. Wealth is not about how much you earn, but how you control your cash flow. Let's talk about Mark and Kevin. Both earn $100,000 a year, but Mark spends $90,000 on luxury items, car loans, and an expensive lifestyle, leaving him with only $10,000 to save. Kevin, on the other hand, lives like he earns half of that, invests 40%, and has multiple income streams. Fast forward 10 years. Mark is drowning in debt while Kevin is financially free. Because money isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. Most people believe a high salary guarantees wealth, but financial security comes from how you manage what you have. Start tracking your money today. Where does every dollar go? If you don't control your cash flow, you'll always feel broke, no matter how much you earn. Number 5. Your home is not always your best investment. For decades, people have been told that buying a house is the ultimate sign of financial success. But is it really? The truth is, a house is a liability, not an asset if it drains your cash instead of making you money. Robert Kiyosaki in Rich Dad, Poor Dad warns, your house is not an asset. It takes money out of your pocket every month. Yet, millions still believe that owning a home is the smartest financial move, even when it locks them into decades of debt, maintenance costs, and property taxes. Real wealth isn't about owning a house. It's about owning income-generating assets. If your home isn't making you money, it's not an investment. Instead of seeing a house as an investment, ask yourself, would this money grow faster elsewhere? If you're thinking of buying, consider house hacking, renting out parts of your property, or investing in real estate that pays you before tying up all your money in a home. Big mortgages trap people in jobs they hate. Financial freedom means flexibility, not debt. Rich people buy assets first, homes later. Build wealth before committing to a 30-year loan. Now here's a thought. Would you rather own a house and struggle to pay bills or rent, invest aggressively, and retire early? The right choice depends on what truly builds your wealth. Number 6. Use geographic arbitrage to build wealth faster. If you make the same amount and live in Bali, Thailand, or Mexico, you can live like royalty, save aggressively, and invest faster. Most people ignore this simple hack and stay stuck in expensive cities, burning their income on rent, taxes. People assume they must live where they work. Not anymore. With remote work and online businesses booming, you can move to a low-cost country and still earn high-income dollars. Start small. Try a 1-month workcation in a cheaper country. Research places with low living costs and high quality of life. Your money will go further, your savings will grow faster, and financial freedom will come sooner. Wealth isn't just about income. It's about cost of living. Keep more. Spend less. Test it out. Try a 1-month workation. Your bank account will thank you. Number 7. Master one high-value skill. Most people make the fatal mistake of being average at many things instead of being world-class at one. But here's the truth. It only takes one highly valuable skill to make you a millionaire. Most people ignore this and spend years jumping between low-paying jobs, learning generic skills that don't move the needle. Instead of being replaceable, become irreplaceable. If you master a high-income skill like copywriting, coding, or investing, you'll always be in demand, no matter the economy. People chase money before mastery. They switch jobs for a slightly higher salary but never develop a skill that multiplies their income exponentially. Pick a skill that directly increases revenue or solves a major problem. If you're unsure where to start, ask, what skill would make someone pay me $10,000 for 1 hour of my time? Learn from books, mentors, and relentless practice. Within a few years, that one skill can set you financially free. You don't need 10 skills. You need one world-class skill. Mastery isn't about time. It's about intensity and deep work. Most people ignore these financial truths because they seem different from traditional advice. But guess what? Traditional advice keeps people stuck in financial mediocrity. I believe that together, we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.